Hey everyone, this is the Amazfit Bip and this is the BIP OS, a custom firmware for the watch with a lot of sweet features baked in it. So this is your normal Amazfit Bip homepage, but oh, it's got an extra menu page now. And there's an enhanced weather page too. The BIP OS has the ability to install custom apps. There's already a bunch available and you can build your own if you want and if you know how to. In the BIP OS menu, you have some apps that are pre-installed and others that you can install manually. There's a music controller, which is a really needed feature for the BIP. You can pause, play, change volume levels and stuff. There's a flashlight, which I find useful when I don't have my phone nearby and I'm in a dark place. There's a calculator for all of you math geeks. Here's a calendar, which is helpful. It's actually a bit hard to use at first, but you'll get used to it. And then these are some apps I have installed according to my needs. There's a Notes app. It's a simple app with a keyboard. The thing here is, the BIP doesn't allow each app to use up more than a specified amount of storage because it has less of it. So don't expect it to hold a lot of text. The app has a set of 8 pages which can hold text. Safebox BIP is similar to Notes, but with a password. Then I've put up a Magic Ball 8 just for fun. Just for some accurate predictions like, will I get a girlfriend this year?
Oh my god! Wow!
Then there's a pretty basic game, Sokoban, just like the feature phones of the past. It's pretty hard to get past the level 4 by the way. I've also got 2048 game, which I like. It's good. You've also got a black and white snake game like the Nokia one, but I removed it because I already had a lot of apps installed. Another feature that should have been on the watch in the first place is the ability to customize the alarms on the watch itself. On the official firmwares, you need to go to the phones app to do this, but it should have been on the watch itself. Now for the BIP OS being stable, it is stable, but more importantly, even if it wasn't, I wouldn't want to go back. The features it offers are so many to sacrifice. The flashlight comes pretty handy, the music controller is great, the ability to customize alarms is too good, and being able to play games on your wrist in those boring lectures or meetings is just awesome. That's all. Comment down below how you feel about the BIP OS or if you want to install it. Do you want me to make a video for its installation? Let me know. Thanks to the developers for their efforts and thank you for watching.